In today's video, I'm going to teach you about HoneyBook and explore whether it can be considered a CRM, as well as dive into its features and use cases. HoneyBook is an all-in-one platform specifically designed for small business owners, incorporating essential business tools like scheduling, contracts, invoices, payments, and automations. This powerful tool helps you stay organized, save valuable time, and create a seamless experience for your clients. Running a business is no small feat, with numerous responsibilities to manage, including client communication, scheduling, and payment processing. This is where HoneyBook comes in. It acts like a personal assistant, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your business. Whether you are a photographer capturing life's most beautiful moments, a coach empowering your clients, or a small business owner chasing dreams, HoneyBook provides the support to streamline operations effectively. First, let's explore what makes HoneyBook stand out as a client relationship management software. It centralizes all your business processes, cutting down on app switching or messy spreadsheets. This consolidation helps you maintain focus, boosting productivity and efficiency. HoneyBook's features include organized client communication with all emails, files, and updates in a single hub. Scheduling appointments becomes a breeze through a branded scheduler, allowing clients to book with ease and eliminating overlaps or missed meetings. HoneyBook also excels in managing proposals, contracts, and invoices professionally. Clients can review, sign, and pay all in one place, streamlining the interaction significantly. One of HoneyBook's compelling features is its invoicing tools. With automated payment reminders, you ensure that clients don't miss payment deadlines. You can accept payments through multiple options, such as credit cards and ACH transfers, while also offering the flexibility of mobile invoicing and recurring payments for ongoing services. Creating contracts manually can be cumbersome, but HoneyBook turns this task into something straightforward with customizable templates developed with legal professionals. Smart fields autofill client details, making the process even more efficient. Plus, automated reminders and status tracking take away the stress of manual follow-ups. HoneyBook's proposals aren't just about business, they are about branding. Seamless branded proposals that combine essential documents into a single file ensure a smooth client onboarding experience. Beautiful, customizable templates add to the professional touch. Effortless scheduling is within reach, syncing your calendar to let clients book directly based on availability. Branded links and automatic reminders further reduce no-shows and enhance professional appeal. Automation stands as a hallmark of HoneyBook, working to save you time and reduce potential errors. With conditional logic triggering actions based on client behavior, automatic follow-ups, and reminders, you can rest easy. HoneyBook's AI-powered tools, including AI-generated meeting summaries and an email composer for quick, on-brand responses, keep you ahead of the curve. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your business operations, HoneyBook CRM could be the solution to keep everything running smoothly, allowing you to focus on growth and client success.